Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Google Gemini how to change voice. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change the voice of Google Gemini, it depends on the context in which you are using it, mainly if it's your phone voice assistant. Now in order to change it, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Gemini application and log into your account if you aren't. Then once logged in, you'll see your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside here, you'll be provided with bunch of options, and among the options what you need to do is select settings. Now once you're inside your Gemini settings, here you'll find an option that says Gemini voice. In order to change it, simply tap on it and then you'll be prompted with the options that you can use like this. And then all you gotta do is just simply select one of the options and then tap on done on the top right, and that's basically how you can do it. And these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.